Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to create a PDF file on Samsung. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the Note application. Now once you open the Note app, you want to go ahead and create a new note. Now once you've created your new note, you can copy and paste the note. To convert this to PDF or create a PDF with your note, click on the three dots at the top right. Now, do not save as file. Just go ahead and click on the printer icon just beside the trash icon. Hang on, then it should say save as PDF. You can click on the drop menu to change your paper size. Click on the drop menu at the top right to print all printers. Now to save as PDF, just click on PDF. Then select your folder and then click on done. This is going to save the file as PDF on your Samsung phone. And then you're good. So that is exactly how to save files as PDF or create a PDF files on your Samsung phone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.